Welcome, fellow explorers. Today, we delve into the fascinating realm of AI humanoid robots and the captivating frontiers of interstellar space exploration. Get ready to embark on a profound journey into the future. Humanoid robots have made remarkable advancements since their inception. Powered by artificial intelligence, these mechanical marvels possess astonishing human-like capabilities, bridging the gap between man and machine. Their potential for space exploration is nothing short of extraordinary. Imagine the awe-inspiring prospect of deploying AI humanoid robots to distant planets or moons within our solar system. Their adaptability to new environments, resilience against harsh conditions, and autonomous decision-making could revolutionize our comprehension of the cosmos. But what lies beyond the uncharted realm of interstellar space, where our imagination flourishes and the possibilities are boundless, while sending humans on these odysseys remains beyond our current reach. AI humanoid robots emerge as the ideal pioneers. Interstellar travel necessitates missions spanning decades or even centuries. Humanoid robots endowed with advanced AI could be constructed to endure these extensive journeys, conduct scientific investigations, gather invaluable data, and lay the groundwork for future human explorers. The integration of AI humanoid robots with interstellar spacecraft could unlock the doors to exoplanets, allowing us to study alien atmospheres, decipher celestial mysteries, and search for indications of life. Their tireless efficiency and adaptability could push the boundaries of human knowledge. AI humanoid robot prototype. Developing humanoid robots for interstellar exploration poses unique challenges. We must ensure their self-learning algorithms evolve ethically. Empowering them to navigate uncharted territories, make informed decisions, and prioritize the success of the mission. As we venture deeper into the cosmos, AI humanoid robots may serve as our eyes, ears, and hands in the vastness of space. They possess the potential to unravel the enigmatic secrets of distant worlds, helping to redefine our understanding of the universe. AI robotics discussing the benefits. AI humanoid robots surpass human limitations in space exploration. They require no life support systems, possess unmatched endurance, and can withstand extreme conditions, rendering them ideal for long-duration interstellar missions. Imagine a fleet of AI humanoid robots dispersed across the cosmos, diligently collecting data and conducting experiments, and transmitting their findings back to Earth. They could unveil truths about exoplanet atmospheres, geological formations, and perhaps even uncover extraterrestrial life. Habitat on an alien world. However, the significance extends beyond exploration. AI humanoid robots could lay the foundation for future human colonization. They might construct habitats, harvest resources, and establish the infrastructure required for humankind to venture into uncharted territories. AI algorithms. Developing advanced AI algorithms that facilitate the learning, adaptation, and independent decision-making of these humanoid robots is paramount. We aspire to create explorers capable of comprehending, evolving, and navigating the vast cosmic expanse. Even in our near-future space missions, AI humanoid robots are already proving their worth. They assist astronauts with tasks, perform repairs, and offer invaluable support during prolonged stays in space. AI humanoid robots in a simulated interstellar environment. In the not-too-distant future, we may witness AI humanoid robots embarking on interstellar voyages, forging paths to the stars with unwavering determination. They stand poised to become humanity's partners in exploration, revolutionizing our perception of the universe. That concludes today's profound journey. The era of AI humanoid robots and interstellar exploration is dawning upon us. As we gaze toward the cosmos, let us embrace the potential of these remarkable creations. Until next time, keep dreaming and exploring the infinite possibilities that lie beyond. Subscribe, like, and share.